Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. So today we are here in the Northwest Las Vegas Valley. If you are just tuning in to this channel for the first time, I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, your Las Vegas realtor. So today we are in a master plan community called Providence. And we're going to be looking at this home. The starting price on here is, well actually, I won't even say the starting price. The price is $390,000. It was built in 2014. It is 2,172 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms total. You have a bedroom downstairs too as well with a 3-car garage. So let's go inside. Let's take a look and then see what we got. I guarantee that this home will sell for more than $390,000. Definitely love the pavers here. And the home is kind of like, or the door is kind of like off to the side here, but then you have this little covered patio, it looks like. Here's your side yard. Takes you out to the side, but let's try something a little bit different. Also, I'm waiting for a client, so I figured, hey, you know what? Why not do a video tour too as well? On this side of the road, it's definitely a main road. You can hear it. Can you hear that? You got the cover patio. Looks like you got your gas stub right here on this one, which is really nice. All the plants are fully mature. Oh, is that like a lemon tree right here? Let me know in the comments below if you guys know what type of tree that is. Reminds me of a lemon tree. You have a doggy door. Synthetic grass. You've got some screens on the windows here. Alright, let's go inside. So here's your door. What I'm going to do is come on in. I'm going to take off my shoes. Alright. Also, my glasses too as well. So here's your stairs to go upstairs. Off to the right. We have a living room, all the blinds. You got the faux blinds. You got 9-foot ceilings, it looks like. Brand new carpet, freshly painted. Looks like you got granite, 2 inches on here. Looks like they just pretty much seamed it together, as you can see. All appliances are included on the sale of this transaction. You got some beautiful 42 upper cabinets. It's kind of like that pine color. You got some nice stainless steel hardware. Cabinets are in great condition. These are MDFs, side glides with the staple. However, pretty good condition. Other than the fact that you got like little nicks here and there, but it's not that bad. You've got 12 by 12 porcelain tile. Okay. Here's your island with some drawers. A very unique layout. Then you have a Peninsula on this side. Refrigerator, GE. With your dishwasher here. And look at this. You wash the dishes here. Then you watch TV right over there. Okay. Here's your 6-foot slide. Takes you out to your patio. Looks like it came with the standard baseboards here during the time of the build. You got some closet space, orange peel texture, right, with the bull nose. So this would be pretty much your pantry. Coming down here, we have a bedroom. This bedroom is probably 15 by 13. It is a decent size. You definitely need some cable outlets on here because this one doesn't have it. Here's your closet. ADT alarm system. Washer and dryer. Here's your laminate. Like I said, washer and dryer included. Love the fact that there's a window in here. Here's your 3-car garage. It looks like it is insulated. And it's been epoxied. You got the extra shelving here. These are about 180 bucks right there. You got the soft water. I love that they epoxy all the way up to the curb. They insulated the garage door. Looks like a brand new hot water heater. Looks like it has a, what do you call, circulation valve on here, which is really nice. Let's go back inside. Here's your bathroom for your guests. Fiberglass. I know it's a little bit dark. See if I can, oh, here we go. There's a little bit better. Fiberglass. 36 on the vanity. You got your Petrofina unremounted sink, cast iron, Delta fixtures with the medicine cabinet. Here's your storage underneath the staircase. HOAs here are going to be $49 a month with the master plan, $180 a quarter. All right, let's walk upstairs. Ooh, this carpet is nice and plush. Taxes here is $27.57. As we come upstairs, we have some shelves here. Down this way we have the bathroom. You had the option to do 2 sinks here. This is a 30-inch cabinet. You got fiberglass tub shower combo. This is all clean. Very clean. But what's unique is it's across from the master. Why would they have this across the master? Very unusual layout. So the other 2 bedrooms upstairs has to walk in front of the master. Here's your walk-in closet. It's a little bit dark. It's very unique. And the light switch is all the way back here. Wow. Take a look at that. All fiberglass. Oops. Gimbal problems. See here. Here you go. Here's your water closet. Get your thermostat there. Now we are here on what, the 3rd bedroom. The sun exposure is going to be on this side here. Okay. Still waiting for my clients. Killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Yeah, if you guys don't have a realtor, we definitely love the opportunity to earn your business. We got a 6'8" on the door, 8-foot ceilings, 2-tone paint. Oh, I mean, overall, for $390, not bad for pretty much the stock and standard. Now, this bedroom actually has a coax cable outlet here, which is really nice. Looks like they took off the smoke detector there. That definitely needs to be installed. Again, if you guys don't have a realtor, we definitely love the opportunity to earn your business. Also, don't forget to visit lvhomeexperts.com. It is a great website to get started if you're looking for brand new homes, resale homes. One of our agents will definitely reach out to you and assist you through the website so that way you can be set up on your search properly and we can start sending you properties that meet and fit your criteria. Again, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Other than that, I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. Hit that notification button so that way you guys can get updated right on new properties just like this when it hits the market. And also give me a thumbs up too as well. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits Krulsawat. with Simply Vegas.